Oh dear, this is a problem. You seeing this?
Yeah.
So keep edging forward, carry on.
So this was a really interesting situation. We're coming to a really busy crossroads. The traffic lights are out. We've got Tesco on the left and a massive retail park on the right. It's about lunchtime on a Monday afternoon. So luckily the traffic's not too bad, but we still need to be very careful. So I just thought this was a great learning point to actually see how we deal with it. So as we're approaching the lights, we're going far slower than we normally would at around 12 miles an hour. We can see it's a bit more open on the right, so we're looking there first, and we can see that white car, but after that it's fairly clear. So we're approaching through the lights because we've got plenty of space. Now we're looking to the left, and we can see that again, nice and clear from the left side, and we are through. Unfortunately, we also need to go this way home as well. So let's have a look what happens here. So it has got a little bit busier on the way back. There are a few cars coming from McDonald's and from Tesco as well. So again, we've got to go nice and slowly. Again, it's more open to the right. We can see there's a few cars there. There's a bit going on, so it is really important to go nice and slowly. No one seems to be moving from the right though. However, there is a vehicle coming from the left. He's in the middle of the road, which is fair enough. He wants to turn right, so we should be approaching nice and slowly and stopping. Unfortunately, this is not what we went with today. Instead, the learner tried to go around the vehicle, which is perfectly understandable. It's a new situation. They haven't dealt with it before. So they tried to drive into the junction, which wouldn't be such a problem. But the car behind us saw our positioning and assumed we were turning left, which unfortunately we weren't. So they then decided to try and overtake, which just made it a bit messy. So learning curve for this. Do not try and go round a vehicle on the crossroads. Instead, just wait in the middle of the road if it's this situation. If it's normally a traffic lit crossroads, because they're just not designed for you to do that.